Good morning, stars. Well, technically afternoon, but I still feel like morning. Today is Sunday, January 4th, and this is the first time I'm hopping on the camera in 2026. Hopefully y'all had a happy new year and a wonderful holiday season. So I'm doing my little Sunday shopping. Got my brother here with me in the cut, and if you can hear my voice, I'm getting over a little something. You know, all I'm gonna say is keep your immune system healthy. I was spending the last couple weeks of the year taking care of my little one with her stomach bug and then a cold. I don't know if it was necessarily the flu, but I did treat her symptoms like it was the flu and was able to knock that thing on out. I'm about to try the Veggie Dog here at IKEA. It was 90 cents. Came to 97 cents. Here we go. Let's get some ketchup. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try this Veggie Dog. I like how you can see all the veggie stuff. You can't really see it now. I covered it in ketchup and mustard. But I'm gonna just try a little piece without anything on it. Got some spices in there. It got some good flavor to it. I think this is gonna be tasty. I wonder if they sell these, cause like the stuff that they make, I think they sell in a freezer section.
That makes sense.
But I wouldn't mind buying these. That's good. That's really good. This is the little closet system. And the mirror though is everything. This mirror is $90. Look at this nice big mirror. Oh, well, this say complete wardrobe $10.92. Interior fittings. Oh, that's the interior fittings and everything. Yes, this is the type of refrigerator that I want. Like, this is it. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And it's small, but you still get the, you know,
Yes.
like,
All
yes.
the conveniences.
Yes, this is it. This is the size. Mission accomplished. Oh, also got a little lint brush because it was 99 cents. Hey y'all, so we in Target now, and I didn't tell y'all that we are in the process of moving. I have to do a story time about that later, a brief one. But anywho, with that being said, I am looking for a couple bathroom sets. We balling on the budget today, as always. You know how we do. So I need to get 2 bathroom sets. One, just the like shower curtain and rug combo. Hold up, this is captivating me. So pretty. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, I can't open it. I want to see. Oh, here it is. Oh, this is so pretty. It's cute. You are mighty God. Oh wow, these are so cute. Look at this. And then the strawberry. This is the cutest. It's like a little sandwich. Oh shoot. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, a little jewelry activity. So cute. What's this one? A little activity set. What are you cutting with this? Like I was saying, y'all, we balling on the budget and looking for bathroom stuff. Hold up, because this is cute. Oh man, it's only for twin. I know our Kira would love this for her bed. I wonder if they got it in full size. They got the Hello Kitty. And we couldn't really find Hello Kitty. They only got one? Ugh.
Right here, this aisle right there.
Which one?
Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here to the bathroom section. So yeah, y'all, let's go find some bathroom stuff. Let's see. Oh, also, I have been to Walmart. I didn't really care for their selection for kids stuff, so I wanted to see what they might have here, just for something quick until I can get them what I want them to have, which they want to have Hello Kitty. And this selection, I like this right here. This soap dispenser, wash your hands. Oh, they got this. It's cute. Can have a little soap tray. What is this? This is so cute. This is cute, but $10.15. Don't want them to break it. This is cute, of course. And they got the trash can. The trash can is $20. Birth. Definitely not trying to pay $20 for a trash can. Walmart it is. Alright, y'all. So, they have a deal going on where you get 15 off of 50 on house stuff. So, or house essentials like this stuff. So, I got some paper bowls, paper little plates, regular plates, some toilet paper, some the Ziplocs because they use these a lot for lunches, some plastic cups, some plastic forks, some trash bags, these, yeah, these, and I got those for my rainy boo. Everything including the books came up to $45. The items for the household stuff came up to $38 after they took off the $15. So boop boop boop. Alright, y'all, we at Walmart now, and look what it decided to. It's snowing. I know y'all about tired of me getting on this camera looking a mess. I'm gonna do my hair soon, y'all. I promise. I promise. Here's the bathroom aisle. They got some, you know, kid-friendly type stuff. I like this soap pump. $6.84, $5.84, more like it. So I think I'm gonna do this one with the rainbow, cause I mean it's white, it got pink and purple. It's just for now, right? But for the kid, well, the one that's like by all our rooms. Yeah.
Ooh, you lit.
You never been up there before? Yeah.
I've been up there, but it's been a while.
Cause in the area, in the.
You need to be excited. You want to take some class and your own shower.
Oh, I like this one too, but they don't have the pump and stuff to go with it, and I think this is so cute.
I don't mind chilling. Are you okay? Like chilling, or should I go get my things?
No, cause oh no, we good. So they got the rainbow, cause I'm trying to get something that's could be for the best of both worlds, you know, with the purple and the pink. And I mean, it got purple, it got pink, and other colors. It's just for now until I could find the Hello Kitty that they like. I really like this bath mat right here. This junk is $15 though, to go by the shower. And let me see what else they got. Ooh, okay. Since we got the pink liner, we can just get this little $5 trash can. Why they can't have one of these for them? But this is $25 for the whole set. All right, y'all. So it came up to $109.31. But I mean, technically, dang, the tax was $8. $8 is crazy. Before tax, it came up to $101.21. I did get something that wasn't on the list. I got some power wash Dawn soap. It was on sale for $3. And then I did have to get some like the hand soap to go into the pumps, which was $2.97. So I did go over by $9. The only thing that I didn't get was the like shower caddy to hang onto the shower, but got our bathroom sets. And yeah, so trying to make that stuff, the other household stuff, a part of the budget for the bathroom stuff definitely was not a thing. So, but my budget for the bathroom stuff for $100, a win-win, a win-win. Hey y'all, so your bed is at the other house. So just show Rain her new room. This is the empty space. You can't really see too much, but this area is going to be my bedroom. It's kind of all connected. And then we got Ari room. Everything's empty right now. Were you able to hang it up? And then we have the little bathroom. Our little bathroom. Little shower. Okay, what? Nice little waiting area. Oh, they have a cafe. And they give you a... So I'm here to get my car repaired. And this is literally like a whole... It's a mall. Oh, rest area. Oh, this is for their staff. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, they have a children's play area. Nice. This is nice. I just came out of the cafe and got some seating out here. I'm gonna wait till 10:30 because I would like a quesadilla. That's on their menu. I got me a Celsius, so not gonna get me a coffee, or they might be done with my car by then. Look at these cars. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna press it. I am so amused by this little train set. Okay, stars. This Burlington just opened back up, so let's see what they got inside. Got a little trip coming up, and you know we need a couple things. Now these are cute. Let's check out the Juicy Couture. $27.99. This is a nice little weekend bag. I know it ain't 118 still. What's the Burlington price? Oh, $34.99. That's tea. I think this is super cute. Like for my daughter, my oldest. Although this is $29.99. Mad cute. So I'm looking for some like travel stuff, mainly packing cubes. This is a cute set, but one packing cube is not gonna cut it. Today is Wednesday. I haven't been vlogging much lately because I just haven't been doing much. Much of anything that I felt was too interesting. Besides just the regular going to work, taking the kids to school, and doing this and that and this. I'm also going through like a transition right now that I will talk about later once the transition is complete. But in the meantime, in the between time, we have a little something different to focus on, which is this little weekend getaway coming up, which I'm so excited about because sometimes you just need a break from reality. You know what I'm saying? Just a break from the everyday hustle and bustle of all of the things. Nail salon is right here. So, after I go to Five Below, I think I'm going to go in here to this nail salon and get my nails repainted because braiding here with chip polish and washing here is like not the move. Okay. Hello. Let me get a little card. Literally got one more purple. Isn't this so cute? So cute. Things acquired. Now to the salon. The nail salon. And I'll just walk. Oh, we have an Uncharted that just came to our area. Might have to check it out. I hear so many good things about it. Now then, I'm gonna get my coffee and get my lunch and go home. Well, go to the salon. To the salon!